Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Alina from Zintilon. Today, we are going to learn all about CNC Lathe.
What is CNC Lathe? CNC Lathe, a subtractive manufacturing process. Many use to machine rotating parts. The parts rotate on a lathe, and the cutting tool moves along the radial or axial direction of the parts to cut.
CNC Lathe is often to produce symmetrical parts, such as cylindrical and conical shape.
Types of CNC Lathe processes: straight turning.
The tool gradually removes material along the side of the surface during the machining, creating a straight cylindrical surface. This operation is essential for producing pins and rolls with uniform diameters.
Facing.
The material is usually longer than the parts should be. Facing aims to reduce its length. The ends of the parts are particular to the axis of the facing and moves relative to the tool in facing. Cutting of the actual length and smooth the ends of the parts.
Learning.
Learning is often used on handles, knobs, and other parts that require a firm grip for user safety and functionality. It is common in tools, machine parts, and daily goods.
Typing.
Typing is essential for threading holes in components for assembly. It is well used in almost all industries, from appliances to automotive parts and aerospace components. A properly threaded hole provides a strong and standardized method for bussing components, allowing an easy disassembly and reassembly once in need.
Threading.
In contrast to typing, threading is the engraving of external thread on the outside diameter of the rotating parts. A specialized threading tool with a specific profile gradually cut the thread pattern into the parts as it rotates.
Grooving.
Grooving, also known as lacking, creates a narrow cut in the material. The size of the cut depends on the width of the cutting tool. There are two types of grooving: facing grooving and external grooving. In face grooving, the cutting tool cuts a narrow groove into the surface of the parts,
where external grooving removes material by moving radially into the sides of the parts.
The draining operations removes material from the inside of the parts to form a hole. The diameter of the hole matches the size of the drive. Draining is well used for fasteners or for further processes, such as cutting. Materials suitable for CNC Lathe. CNC Lathe can produce a wide range of the materials. To produce high-quality final parts, different materials require specific considerations in terms of turning speeds, feed rates, and tools.
Metal materials such as brass, aluminum, titanium, and steel are often used in CNC Lathe process. Excellent properties of those metals can meet higher machining needs. Applications of CNC Lathe.
CNC Lathe is an important process in the manufacturing industry. Almost all cylindrical and conical parts are the result of this process. Many industries use many types of lasering operations to produce complicated parts. For example,
in the aerospace industry, CNC Lathe is used to produce threads, screws, shafts, connectors, pins, and locks. The automotive industry often uses CNC Lathe to make automotive parts, such as cylinder blocks and dashboard components. Precision CNC Lathe helps to manufacture, repair, and maintain heavy machine parts in the oil and gas industry. It can be used to process parts such as pins, pistons, rods, and cylinders. In addition, CNC laser is also crucial in the electronic industry. It is compatible with metals and plastics, and can be used to process electronic components. CNC laser services at Zintilon.
The next step is to find a trusted partner to help you to turn your ideas into reality. Once it's ensured that CNC laser is suitable for your project,
Zintilon has experienced engineers, skilled operators, and a strict quality management system.
if you are ready to explore the possibilities that CNC laser brings to your project, please feel free to contact Zintilon. Our team of experts will turn your design into reality.